Hi everyone, I just wanted to check in and talk through a little bit about what is going to be due next week and what is coming up. So as you can see, I just updated the syllabus and extended a couple of due dates for you all based on where we're at in the semester. So you can see here, we're always on track to finish on time. It's just about how quickly we get through things in April is always a little bit different depending on where we're at. So as you can see here, I've moved your personal diet analysis to the 18th and then exam 2 to the 25th. So you have a little bit more time to do those two things. And then I've also put your personal diet analysis up on Moodle. So you can see that I'm asking for the diet analysis based on what you've learned this semester and something you're interested in trying out in your life. Just apply it for one day. So, and log all your food in iProfile and analyze. So some things you might consider, you might want to try just increasing your fruit and vegetable intake or another, food type that you're low in. You might be interested in a vitamin or mineral and really making sure you're getting enough of that each day. You might be interested in trying a vegetarian or a vegan lifestyle for a day and seeing how that goes. Or maybe a no added sugar for a day project. So just take any sort of lifestyle, that you want to be looking at and go for it. And so you're going to be submitting your food journal and your intake compared to DRI and writing a 2-page reflection focusing on the following components. And as I said, you can find that in the first section in Moodle. So that won't be due until a week from Wednesday, the 18th. Make sure in the meantime that you are completing those vitamin and mineral worksheets and coming to class just ready with your vitamins and minerals so we can continue on with those projects too. So I hope you all have a great weekend. Just wanted to update you on a couple changes, so make sure you take note of the updated syllabus calendar that's been posted. It's labeled 4/6, and then the diet analysis as well. Have a great weekend, everyone. Take care.